Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to calculate quantiles for a numerical feature using pandas. So let's start. So just a quick introduction or a quick description of what quantiles are. Quantiles, let's say you've got a data set which has a numerical feature, let's say for example income, and you've got 10 people getting a certain income and you arrange it in order that's smallest to largest. So 0.25 quantile will say that 25% of the values which are the smallest values. 0.5 is the median, which says 50% of the values are less than this and 50% are higher than this, and 0.75 means that 75% of the values are smaller than this and 25% of the values are higher than this. So let's see how we calculate this in pandas. So I've got this file open here with me. This is a Jupyter notebook. I will upload this to GitHub so you can download the file, also upload the dataset, and I'll leave a link to them in the video notes. So let's start. So all I'm doing in the first cell is import pandas as PD, and then I'm just pointing the path where I've got some random data set I've created. So I'll do shift enter to execute this particular cell, and then I'll just look at my data set. It's just got 10 rows, so it's not really df.head. I could have just said print df, it would be the same. So I've got country rank 1 to 10, country name, which I've just said 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and income 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, blah. So the 0.25 quantile, how do you calculate this? All you do is say df dot whatever numerical feature you're trying to calculate it on, and then quantile, and then you say 0.25 for 25 percentile, 0.5 per 50%, and then quantile, and 0.75 for the third quantile. So let's start. So I'll just do shift enter again, and you can see it is giving me quantile 1 is 3.25. Similarly, if I hit shift enter for quantile 2, which is essentially the median, it is saying 5.5. because it's you can see it's an even number, so the quantile would be, or the median would be the midpoint of 5 and 6, which is 5.5. and similarly we've also got the quantile 3, which is 7.75. I've also got a video which I thought was very useful in terms of understanding how quantiles work and what quantiles are. I'll let this link be here in the Jupyter notebook, so you can go through this link as well if you want. So in this video, just to recap, we learn how to calculate the quantile, the 0.25, 0.5 and 0.75 quantile, and what quantile means. Yeah, I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.